Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the brand new Cosmic desktop environment on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Yes, that same shiny Cosmic experience that ships with POP OS 24.04. You can now run it right on your Ubuntu machine. It's clean, it's fast, it's customizable, and honestly, it feels like GNOME, but with superpowers. Let's get into it. Like always, before installing anything, make sure your system is up to date. Now add a custom PPA. All right, before installing anything, there's one thing you need to know. Installing Cosmic does not replace Ubuntu's default GNOME desktop. Both desktops will live side by side and you can switch between them easily from the login screen, but whatever you do, don't remove GNOME. Removing GNOME from Ubuntu will break pretty much the whole system because Ubuntu relies on GNOME components behind the scenes. So we'll install Cosmic safely and both desktops will happily coexist. Run the update command again after adding the PPA. Next, install Cosmic with this command. You'll get a choice between GDM3, Ubuntu's default, and Cosmic Greeter. Choose GDM3Y. In my testing, Cosmic's Greeter couldn't log into GNOME properly. GDM3 works flawlessly with both desktops. Once installation finishes, log out. On the login screen, click the little gear icon in the corner and choose Cosmic from the session list. Log in, and boom, you will be running the Cosmic desktop on Ubuntu 24.04. Don't like Cosmic? No problem. Removing it is super safe. Just log back into GNOME and remove it. To remove it first, install ppa-purge. Then purge Cosmic with this command. And that's it. That is how you install and remove Cosmic on Ubuntu 24.04. Honestly, Cosmic feels refreshing. The layout, the animations, and especially the built-in tiling are all things GNOME should have had years ago. If you've been looking for something more modern but still lightweight and familiar, Cosmic might be your next daily driver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.